Hello YouTube and welcome to my craft session. Today I'm going to be making a puppet. Yeah, a puppet. For this we're going to need some anti-pill fleece, an imitation boa, some pom-poms for whatever colour you want. I bought some puppet eyes off of eBay for a couple of quid, or even less dollars if you want. Some craft foam and some quite thick card, and we got some packing foam or some sort of foam to pad out the head. Okay, got it all. For the tools we're going to use, I've got a hot glue gun, sewing machine, it's my mum's, don't judge, and some spray adhesive. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm using an ordinary felt tip pen. You just draw a circle, you can use a stencil or something. Just draw a circle around onto some thick card and then just cut it out. Okay, I've cut it out of the card. Now we just have a smiley face. For this, the next task is you get a ruler or some straight object, as long as it doesn't bend, and some scissors. If you're quite a young child, get a parent or guardian to do this for you, because I almost just cut my fingers off. Alright, once you scored. Okay, at scoring you can bend it quite easy, and then you've got this sort of doobrey. Now this is about the right shape for my hand. I just need to trim off some of the excess around the corner because it's still a bit wide. Okay, now you got a bit of a weird shape for my face, but it's now about the right size for my hand. Next thing you need is the craft foam and some glue, or in this case I'm going to be using spray mount. Spray mount is a spray adhesive that you can find in any craft shop. I'm going to pause the video now and do it because I have to do this outside or in a well ventilated area, which I'm not, so see you in a minute. Okay, I've sprayed the thick card and stuck it to the craft foam. Now just go around the thick card. Okay, here you go, got that. It should fold in the middle, and there we go. We now have a mouth.